cocktail, which is a tribute to my grandfather, who was the first mixologist in my family who, inspired me to be creating these cocktails, right? This one is called the Old Grandpa Errol, right? And I'm gonna start off with a very special bottle. This Appleton Estate Rare Blend 12-year-old, which was autographed and sent to me by Dr. Joyce Spence herself, first female master blender in the world who blends for Appleton Estate. So 1 ounce of the Appleton Estate Rare Blend 12-year-old. We're going to be using a 1/2 ounce of Tia Maria coffee liqueur and a 1/2 ounce of the Serrano, which is a amaretto liqueur, followed by 3 drops of Angostura bitters. I'm gonna add some ice, give it a swirl, and serve. So there you go, Old Grandpa Errol. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to my channel.